Military school?
Yeah, that's what I said, Mom. Dad's already sent in the deposit. He says I'm going.
Well, don't worry. I will talk to him.
Yeah, right, Mom. Like, that will make any difference with Dad. I mean, he's already talked to General Carpenter, who says he's sorry he made the exact same mistake with his son, and that didn't faze him. So what kind of a chance do you or I have with him? Forget it. I've got to move out.
Move out? What do you mean?
I'm going to stay with Joey for a while.
I can't. There's just too much going on.
I thought I might find you two here.
Walter, we need to talk.
Mom, I've got to go get a gym bag from my locker. I'll see you later.
Oh, Billy. Billy?
Let him go. It's all right.
Oh, he's gone. Right out of our home, and if we're not careful, right out of our lives.
You know, I'm getting pretty sick of being painted as the villain here. I am just trying to do my job as his father.
And what is my job, Walter? Do I even have one? This plan you've hatched about military school, were you going to tell me about it?
I had to make some decisions based on protecting Billy's life. I think they were good decisions. Military school will give him some backbone.
Backbone? He's got plenty of backbone.
Well, then it'll give him some structure and discipline. And it'll give him a fresh start.
Fresh start? Oh, you mean a new place to lie about his sexuality?
Stop it.
Stop what? The truth?
A lot of good the truth is going to do him when they beat him up again. You know, you saw his face. Maybe next time they won't stop with just their fists, huh?
I would not have my son driven away like this. But Billy knew what might happen when he told people that he was gay.
Stop it!
That he was gay. And he's prepared to fight his own battles. He's strong, Billy is. Don't you know that? I mean, for heaven's sakes, Walter, you've been at war with him. Can't you feel his strength?
He's a kid.
That may be. But if you don't stop what you're doing, he'll be a runaway kid. And we may never see him again.
Every inch of the way.
No, we cannot live like this. He's not some sort of specimen.
There are questions here, Virginia. There are a lot of questions, and we need some answers. We don't even know, for instance, the nature of his relationship with Joey Buchanan.
What do you mean?
I think you know perfectly well what I mean.
I can't believe you. I can't believe what you're insinuating.
Well, come on. Well, we obviously know nothing.
Joey is his friend, his best friend. And he can't afford to lose a friend, not at this point, not when there are so many forces against him, including his father.
All right, fine. Then I wash my hands. You do whatever you want. You make all the decisions. Let Billy become whatever he wants to be. Because I do not know you two. As far as I'm concerned, you're nothing but strangers. And I have never felt more alone in my life.
Walter?
Mom, are you okay?
Oh, please. It's nothing.
It's you and Dad, isn't it? Fighting about me again, aren't you?
No, it is not your fault.
Mom, don't worry. I'll be gone soon. And the thorn will be out of his side. He won't stay mad at you, I promise. It's not even you he's mad at. I'm the one he can't forgive. I mean it, Mom. Don't cry. I'll be okay.
I know you will. I'm not crying because of that. I'm crying because I don't know if I can ever forgive your father for this. Or if I will ever be able to love him again.